Guys, a little tip: whenever you're removing one of these relief valves, you don't want to grab it because you will warp the body, and this piece is about 800 bucks. So best way to do it is you get a screwdriver, go between some screws. Try to do this with you guys on the phone. And it's usually pretty easy. I use a square one. This one's round, but usually I'll use a square type screwdriver, but yeah, you get in between the screw and the 90. And I mean, when I put them back together, I just pretty much put them hand tight and then give them maybe a quarter turn or so with the screwdriver. But you never want to grab it here. You will warp the body. And when you're doing this repair, don't forget there's an O-ring right in there.